Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 51. Let's start. Alright, we have 2 cats. We need 6 more.
Nice!
Let's maybe try there. Alright, now maybe there. No, sorry guys, here. Alright, I only have 1 fish left, so I have to be careful. Let's maybe try there. Okay, now
Nice!
maybe there.
Great!
All right, here.
Perfect!
And